Namaste. Welcome back to Retail Hands-on Training with Jugal Kishore. I've been in this industry since last 20 years and started my career as sales associate and grew to country manager and taking care of entire business and operation parts of the retail business and brand development of leading fashion sales, footwear, hypermarket and department stores. In my entire journey in retail industry, I have a track record of successfully completing several projects such as new store opening, recruitment, and of course actively involved in training and development part of employees on all levels, starting from sales associate to leaders and department managers. How to approach customers? I'm often asked in my role as a retail manager. Whether that question comes from a retailer looking for sales tips as a part of their retail sales training program, or a distributor or brand wondering if the representatives are doing it right, or someone asking about the correct phone etiquette. We have covered quick answers relevant to this topic in detail in this discussion. Let me explain. In these 4 simple steps, we are going to cover this entire session. We'll see the reality from customers' eyes, then non-verbally complete techniques and techniques to apply. Before starting our session, let me clear the objectives of this session. Objective: to make learning not training but fun, sharpening the skill of team every day, help overcome some relevant problems they experience every day. Value add to the time spent for classroom training, factor in different learning types of people, to make the team use the skills to improve sales. At the end of the session, the store team member will be able to approach the customer in a pleasant and valuable manner, enhance their in-store experience, make every customer leave with a great point to remember about the department. Reality from customer side. Did you know that 80% of the new customers' attitude towards the store becomes positive or negative in the first 30 seconds of entering the store? Yes, first 30 seconds. It is very important. When and how? When do you approach the customers? Very simple, as soon as they enter in the store. How do you approach the customer? At an angle, with a smile and being fully prepared. Make it real, even if it is non-verbal. What should be the right way to approach the customer? Few points to remember here. Smile and confidence, facial expression, posture, verbal greeting, relevant techniques. These points are very important and to be considered all time. Now, when you ask me what are the techniques, here I would say, here you need to have different types of approach. But remember, we need to choose the style that suits the customer and of course to yourself. It should be real. The friendly approach, I would suggest the merchandising approach, the service approach, and the informal approach. The friendly approach. Hello ma'am, are you looking for something for yourself today? Or it is a gift for a friend. The merchandising approach. Hello, anything on the shelf that catches your attention? The service approach. How is this one here? What do you think about it? The informal approach. Well, I will leave this up to you. Make it the most simple or in your own style. Now, applying the technique in right manner is very important. Let's see what we have to discuss over here. What preparation needed to get this right? First, know your product range. Know their prices. Approach customers to know their needs. Based on the product, you know what customers are looking for. Accordingly, have the most suitable product at 3 price points. Show the most expensive and then come down and show it to the customer as per his needs. Give the feature and benefit of each and every item in simple and clear, easy to understand manner. Golden bonus tip for you. A nice smile, direct eye contact and appropriate grooming will make a good impression on the customer you meet. On a final note, if you want to stand out in a crowded market where too many people have too many choices of who they do business with, a focused customer approach trumps the direct or indirect greeting saying, buy my product every time. Thank you and happy selling.